Today we are discussing a condition which is called epistaxis, नक्सीर फूट जाना, नाक से spontaneously blood गिरना. कैसे हुआ, क्या हुआ? We have sir with us who had the same problem last night. He will tell us. Please, sir.
My name is Anand Sagar. I'm a journalist for about 40 years, 22 years of which I have spent abroad. I was the foreign affairs editor of the Khalij Times in Dubai, and I was in Oxford University as a fellow. Now, what Dr. Saab just referred to, this problem at 3 o'clock this morning, was the second time in the last 4 days. Because 3 days ago, exactly the same thing on a slightly smaller scale took place. And I thought my nose is running at 6 o'clock in the morning, so I just rubbed my hand. And then I said, what the devil is this? This is all blood. And then I couldn't stop. It was all on my clothes, my bed sheets, my floor. But that wasn't such an overflow. 4 days ago, I went immediately because I stay in Hazrat Ganj, which is the, what shall I say,
the heart of the
center
city,
point
yes.
of Lucknow
Yes.
in Uttar Pradesh in India. And the nearest place I could get some medical attention and consultation. Otherwise, I would always come here. I've been a member here for years. My entire family has been a member of ASTA. And Dr. Saab has been very kind to us and very generous, as he always is with everyone.
Thank you so much.
So the point is, today it happened at 3 o'clock suddenly. It took me by surprise. There was nothing that I could do to stop it, to stem it. I was staying alone. My wife was staying in her place in New Hyderabad. There was no one in the house. And for a moment, I felt I had a blackout. So the first thing which I did was to open the door. I said, just in case my wife comes or somebody comes or a neighbor comes, at least they should be able to reach inside and then see what happens. What my condition is. So anyway, the stretcher, we got the stretcher, 108 was called. I went to the civil hospital. Of course, it is only not out of choice, remember. It is out of a compulsion because you are just happen to be incidentally the nearest hospital point.
Yes.
So let me get there first before I get to a hospital of my choice.
Yes.
That is important. So that at least some doctor has had a look at you.
तो सर जो बता रहे हैं उसको समराइज करते हैं कि रात में एक सीनियर सिटीजन घर में अकेले हैं
72, my age is 72.
और नाक से प्रोफ्यूज ब्लीडिंग होने लगती है और ब्लैकआउट होने लगता है. तो नाक से प्रोफ्यूज ब्लीडिंग होने के जनरली दो कारण होते हैं. एपिस्टैक्सिस, पहला ब्लड प्रेशर जब बढ़ता है, जब ब्लड प्रेशर बहुत बढ़ जाता है तो ब्लड वेसल्स, रक्त कोशिकाएं जिनके अंदर ब्लड प्रेशर फ्लो करता है, उनकी स्ट्रेच होने की एक क्षमता होती है. जब उनकी क्षमता से ज्यादा ब्लड प्रेशर होता है तो दे टेंड टू रप्चर. मैं कहूंगा सर की किस्मत अच्छी थी, अगर यही नस ब्रेन की फटी होती तो उसको हम ब्रेन हैमरेज कहते. नाक की नस कुकर की सीटी के समान है. इट एक्ट्स एज अ विसल, इट ब्लोटेड एंड इट ब्लास्टेड. तो खून थोड़ा सा निकल आया, प्रेशर रिलीज हुआ, ब्रेन की नस बच गई. सर ने एक और महत्वपूर्ण बात बताई, कॉल फॉर हेल्प, कि जब उनको लगा कि वो फेंट हो जाएंगे, घर में अकेले हैं, तो उन्होंने सबसे पहले दरवाजा खोल दिया कि
कोई भी आए,
फोन किसी को करे
तो कोई अंदर आए ये तो देख लेंगे अरे भाई ये तो बेहोश
पड़ा है. तो ये बहुत अच्छा पॉइंट है जो सर से हमें समझ में आया. और क्योंकि उन्होंने 108 नंबर जो सरकारी सुविधा है तो उनको नियरेस्ट सरकारी हॉस्पिटल ले गई. फिर वहां इन्होंने कहा भाई मैं यहाँ का मेंबर हूँ,
यहाँ मुझे फोन करने की इजाजत दें आप.
जी.
मैं तो डॉक्टर साहब से तो नहीं, उनको तो नहीं फोन डिस्टर्ब करूंगा 3 बजे, मगर हॉस्पिटल रिसेप्शन पे मैं फोन करूंगा, उनसे कहूँगा वो भेज दीजिए. बहरहाल वो आ गई. लिहाजा ये कि उस वक्त से लेकर और अभी तक मैं आपके साथ हूँ. आपके
हमारी एम्बुलेंस आपको निर्धारित चिकित्सालय से यहाँ ले आई. नाउ सर is better, sir has recovered. He has narrated this story which is very interesting and very useful for senior citizens.
And by the way, let me tell you that your ambulance was actually far better than most of the ambulances which I see. I mean, as a journalist, I've seen all kinds of second-rate, third-rate ambulances. Yours is a good one, but a little more, which I'll point out at some point in time. For instance, there was absolutely no pillow, there's nothing. So now you're bumping, your head is going all over the place.
Yes.
one small thing, keep a little pillow there.
Yes.
Any
Sure.
pillow, anything, cotton pillow.
Ji.
So it's small, but these
Ji.
are small things.
Ji.
But as a journalist, you see, I tend to observe and notice and remember.
जी.
And if I feel like Dr. Abhishek Shukla, I will certainly, with his permission, make a few points. Some of it, he might think now, well, worth following up.
Sure, sir. Why not?
Like
It was
this-
nice talking to
Great,
you
yeah.
and knowing your brave journey
Great
of last
pleasure.
night's problem.
Great pleasure.
And you are all right. Soon
Thank
you will
and
be
I'm very
sent
grateful.
home, sir. Thank
I'm
you.
very grateful. Thank you very
Namaskar.
much. Ji, namaskar. Pranam. Adab.
आप सो गई हमारी बात सुन